S&P 500 ETF. Today we're up $2.61, moving along nicely. Nasdaq we're also up $2.48, above all moving averages. Diamonds up $1.41. This one's clearing that 50 moving average on the daily chart. Russell 2000 up over $3, a nice move to the upside. It's going to be testing against that 50 moving average soon. Transports are also up over $1, currently above that 34. We'll see if it continues its strength to retest that 50 as well. Looking at my trade, Apple is up as well. Now I exited the trade earlier during the day because this was coming down against that 8 moving average on the hourly chart. And I learned my lesson with Intel last time, so I took a clip from here to here, and we had to be happy. Now, maybe I didn't get to all my extensions, but I did not want to have an Intel experience like what I had last time, where I neglected when market was coming down and I was taken out here, even though I did all the work from here to here and almost reached my profit target. And you have to have some rules in place, and you have to ratchet your profits in. If it goes immediately into your profit extensions, great. But if it doesn't, then you just take your profits, a smaller one. But this is how we're going to get successful in trading. It's about taking consistent profits day in and day out, finding our setups, and one day at a time. Let's take an opportunity. I'm finding some good opportunity here in CHGG. Now, right now, this is not the place to trade at all because it's gone off so much. So what I'm looking for is this thing going up a little bit farther, then it's going to pull back to this 39 level. So I'm thinking a couple steps in advance. I'm not sure it's going to give me what I'm looking for, but this is how you're going to find yourself a great setup. You want to be anticipating these moves before they take place. Now, we do have some earnings that's coming up. That will be on the 4th. So that will be next week. And there's a lot could happen over the course of the next couple of days. If it goes up a little bit more, pulls back. I'm looking for these type of pullbacks. You can see this pullback and this pullback is very similar. So let's just measure them right now, just for practice, so you guys will know how to do this in the future. So from here to here, $5.35 to the downside. Here to here, $4.97. Okay, I'm not sure why I can't click over here properly. And you want to find yourself a 3-price relationship that way. Let's take a quick look at some headlines. Former Goldman Sachs fund manager who called the 2008 crisis says the signal to sell stock is coming soon. Don't know, don't care. You have to trade your plan. Okay, shouldn't start the panic, shouldn't falsely accuse starting coronavirus. Her life's turned upside down. I don't even know why this is on CNN Business. DAX is up over 2%, Euro 50. Taking a quick look at DAX, still sideways pattern. See if it can break out above that 11,000. Euro 50. Japan also put in a nice gain, but we need to break above. If the bulls, they want to have a chance at this, they got to break above that 20,000. Right. Russell, I think this will one break that against a sideways pattern. Same thing with the Nasdaq. You'll break above 9,000 pretty soon. S&P 500 and the Dow are still showing strength. Crude oil pulled back over $4. That's a big move to the downside. Now, this is not really affecting gold and silver as much. We did have a small little pullback, but they're not big pullbacks. US dollar pulled back a little bit. Fear and Greed Index 34. Cryptos, another nice move to the upside. Now we're at 195. Let's take over. Look real quick. Take a quick look. So over here, not a whole lot going on today. Tomorrow, consumer confidence. Wednesday, GDP quarter over quarter. Crude oil inventories. Okay, so Wednesday would be a big one. Press conference with FOMC and the funds rate. So Wednesday is going to be a lot of activity. Thursday, not a whole lot going on. And the first on Friday, not a whole lot going on. So continue to follow your trading plan. Disregard all these headlines. If you find some good long setups in the Nasdaq, then go long with proper position sizing. And for this one, I'm not ready to go long. I still have to wait for the proper setup. Taking a quick look. I don't know why my mouse is not working here. And this pullback's $5.66. Right? This one's $5.35. So, thanks so much for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. We'll talk to you soon.